How to use essential oils for insomnia. A beginner's guide. Welcome back to our channel. If you're having trouble sleeping and prefer natural remedies, essential oils can be a great solution. In today's video, we'll guide you through the most effective essential oils for insomnia and how to use them to improve your sleep. Let's get started. Introduction to essential oils. Essential oils are concentrated extracts from plants known for their therapeutic properties. They can help alleviate stress, relax the body, and promote better sleep. Here are the top essential oils you can use to combat insomnia. 1. Lavender essential oil. Lavender is renowned for its calming and relaxing properties. It helps reduce anxiety and improve sleep quality. To use lavender oil, add a few drops to a diffuser and let the aroma fill your bedroom. You can also add a few drops to your pillow or use it in a bedtime bath. 2. Chamomile essential oil. Chamomile oil is another excellent choice for promoting relaxation and sleep. It has a gentle, soothing effect on the mind and body. You can diffuse chamomile oil in your bedroom or mix a few drops with a carrier oil, like coconut or jojoba oil, and apply it to your temples and wrists before bed. 3. Cedarwood. Essential oil cedarwood oil has a warm, woody scent that is known to have sedative effects. It can help reduce stress and anxiety, making it easier to fall asleep. Diffuse cedarwood oil in your room, or blend it with a carrier oil and massage it onto the back of your neck and feet. 4. Bergamot. Essential oil bergamot oil is a citrus-scented oil that helps to alleviate stress and anxiety, promoting relaxation. Despite its citrus origin, bergamot oil has calming effects rather than energizing. Add a few drops to a diffuser or mix with a carrier oil and apply it to your chest and shoulders. 5. Ylang Ylang essential oil. Ylang Ylang oil has a sweet, floral scent and is known for its calming properties. It helps lower blood pressure and heart rate, making it easier to relax and fall asleep. Use Ylang Ylang oil in a diffuser or add a few drops to a warm bath before bed. How to use essential oils for sleep. There are several ways to use essential oils for better sleep. Diffusion. Add 5-10 drops of your chosen essential oil to a diffuser and run it for 30 minutes to an hour before bedtime. This will fill your room with a relaxing aroma and create a sleep-friendly environment. Topical application. Mix a few drops of essential oil with a carrier oil, like coconut, jojoba, or almond oil. Apply the blend to your temples, wrists, the back of your neck, or the soles of your feet. Aromatherapy bath. Add 5-10 drops of essential oil to a warm bath and soak for 20-30 minutes. This will help relax your muscles and calm your mind, preparing you for a good night's sleep. Pillow spray. Create a pillow spray by mixing essential oil with water in a spray bottle. Lightly spritz your pillow and bedding to enjoy the soothing aroma as you fall asleep. Safety tips. When using essential oils, always remember to dilute essential oils with a carrier oil before applying them to your skin to avoid irritation. Do a patch test on a small area of your skin to check for any allergic reactions. Avoid direct contact with eyes and sensitive areas. Keep essential oils out of reach of children and pets. Conclusion. There you have it. A beginner's guide to using essential oils for insomnia. These natural remedies can help you relax, reduce anxiety, and improve your sleep quality. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more natural health tips and remedies. Sweet dreams, and we'll see you in the next video.